You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to turn on Safe Search in Google Chrome. Safe Search is a Google feature that filters out explicit content from your search results. You can enable it directly in your Chrome browser's settings. First, open Chrome on your computer or phone. In the address bar, type google.com and press Enter. On the Google homepage, look at the bottom right corner of the screen on a computer, or tap the three-line menu on a phone. Find and click or tap Settings. On the next page, select Search Settings. Here you will see the option for SafeSarc filters. Check the box next to Turn on SafeSarc or toggle the switch to the on position. Scroll down and click Save to confirm your changes. If you are logged into your Google account, this setting will apply across all devices where you use that account. To lock SafeSarc so others can't change it, especially on a shared computer, look for the Lock SafeSarc option in the settings, which requires you to log in with your Google account password. This ensures filtered search results for a safer browsing experience. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.